In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a new online store or looking to enhance your existing Shopify site, adding a landing page can be an effective way to capture customer interest and drive sales. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once there, look for the My Store section and open it up. You'll find a plethora of tools and options, but what we want to focus on first is the settings. Give that a click to proceed. In the settings, you'll see various tabs dedicated to different aspects of your store, but today our interest is in the apps and sales channels option. This is where you'll manage and add new functionalities to your store. Click on it. From there, locate the Shopify App Store. This is a marketplace brimming with apps that enhance the functionality of your Shopify site. In the search bar, type landing page and begin your search. One of the top options you'll see should be Pagefly Landing Page Builder. This app is widely used and highly regarded for creating attractive and effective landing pages. Click on it to explore further. Now on the Pagefly app page, you'll be given the option to install it. Click on the install button and follow the installation process. Shopify might ask you for permission to add this app to your store, so be sure to grant that. Once installed, you might see prompts to start setting it up, but for now, you can simply click on I'll do it later. This allows us to move directly into creating a page without any preliminary steps that might not be necessary for everyone. At the Pagefly dashboard, you'll notice an option labeled Page. Go ahead and click on that and then choose Next, select Page Type. Here, you'll be looking at different page type options, so take a moment to choose the one that suits your needs best. With your selection made, click on Next, Start Creating. This will bring you to the Pages section. Now click on Create from Template. Templates can be a great starting point because they are professionally designed and can save a significant amount of time. Select Regular when asked to choose a template type. You will then be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select the one that best aligns with your brand and product offerings. Once you've selected a template, click on Select. Now comes the exciting part, editing. Customize the template to your liking by changing text, images, and other elements to align with your brand's message and style. After you're satisfied with how your landing page looks, make sure to save your work. Simply click on Save, and just like that, you have a new landing page ready to capture the attention of your customers. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a compelling landing page using Shopify. This new addition to your store will help in building your customer base and boosting sales. Keep experimenting and refining, and you'll see the benefits in no time.